Cheyenne writes, I recently failed my second nursing course and was dismissed from the nursing program. My daughter and I both had health issues that have now been resolved. I want to appeal, but I've heard it's pointless. How can I successfully appeal and get back into the nursing program? Well, Cheyenne, let me tell you a story.
For real world answers to all of your questions on nursing school and life as Dr. Wife.
Megan was a nursing student, and like you, she had some personal health issues that ultimately led to 2 failures in the same semester. This caused her to be automatically dismissed from the nursing program. She appealed the decision, was readmitted, and was able to graduate with her nursing degree. What did she do to successfully appeal? The key to Megan's success was in how she made her case to the appeals committee. In her letter to the committee, she included 2 vital pieces of information that greatly increased her chance of being readmitted to the nursing program. First, she clearly outlined the contributing factors that led to her failures. She was very specific and avoided generalizations. Also, she took personal responsibility for her actions and behaviors. She didn't blame classmates or professors or others. Secondly, she clearly outlined a plan for success. She addressed each of the factors that led to her failures and what she would be doing to avoid failure in the future. She listed specific changes she had made and would continue to make to be successful. For example, she decreased her number of outside work hours and found another mom that she could swap childcare with to save money and work less. In her plan, she included meeting regularly with her professors to assess her performance and using the support services freely available to her, such as the peer tutoring program and study spaces. Cheyenne, appealing a dismissal from the nursing program can be a daunting task, but you can be successful. Give yourself every advantage by using Megan's strategy. Megan's strategy was effective. Why? Well, the appeals committee needed to see that Megan had the necessary insight to see what contributed to her failures and a clear plan for success. Her plan needed to be realistic, specific, and account for the factors that had caused her to fail in the past. Cheyenne, I hope this story was helpful. Maybe you have a friend in a similar situation. Please pass this on, and as always, if you have a question about nursing school or life, ask Dr. White.
Nursing school won't feel so tough. Helping others won't be so rough. You are confident, compassionate, and so much more.